Okay guys, welcome back. I don't know if you follow the order of my videos, but in the last video I was working on the changing oil and servicing the Kubota tractor, which is kind of why I need to get this thing back together so I could get it in the shop. Well, I got a little while before it's time to go to the house, and I thought I would try to get the bolts in the body mounts and get the body of this thing secured to the frame. Now when I took the body bolts off or out, the engine and transmission and everything were already out of it. So I don't know how much fun it's going to be to get them back together. This one here on the passenger side front, not too bad. I just got the bolt sitting in it. I want to make sure the body was kind of lined up. That one is going to be a chore. I can tell already. It's not a fun spot to get to. I haven't looked at the two that's in the middle. I know the back is easy. I've already got them in just to keep this thing from moving around. Yeah, that one's going to be fun. I can tell it's not lined up already. Might have to raise the body up a little bit and adjust that spacer in there. That one already got together, but this little bracket right here is going to make that a little bit challenging. I got new washers for those. I think I do. If not, I'm gonna get some because that's obviously leaking. That's part of the fuel tank vent, and that one looks lined up pretty good. Where's it? There you are. That one's so. Alright, so body needs to shift to the driver's side just a little bit. I don't know if I can. Let's see. Yeah. Too many washers. There's one. Yep, that's the middle one. I think I got that one in the wrong one too. There you are. There we go. Big washer. this one's the wrong bolt, so I need to swap them out. There's 2 long ones and 4 short ones. I had them in the wrong spot. I'll swap that one. Need that. Don't need that. What I'm trying to do, push that bolt down through that rubber bracket, rubber boot. There we go. Get some light so you can see what I'm doing here. Not really lined up at all, is it? Yeah, let's move the jack towards the back. See if I can adjust this a little bit. See if we can move this thing around a little bit now. Let me see if I can get another jack on this thing. Alright, got jack on both sides. Got the body lifted up just a little bit. See if I can get these lined up. I think I got it. Oh yeah, I got that. Let's see. It goes that way. Right. Nomás. Yep. Got all 4 of the bolts in. Excuse me, 6 of the bolts. Not tight. Well, as usual, I always try to start with a pain in the butt one first because it's all downhill from there. I got a wrench on the bottom, an extension and a wobble socket on the impact. Let's see if I can hold this to get it tightened up. And if I can get the wrench on there. I think I got it. I got the wrench pinned in the bottom. Let's see if we can get that out. Well, it's in there. Hopefully I can get the wrench out. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, got the 6 bolts in for the body. And I'm gonna see if I can get the steering linkage hooked up. I do have another washer for that. Yeah, that'll work. Kick my step. Oh yeah, so this works. Not rusty yet.